Hello everyone. If you guys are new here, I'm Paige. What's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel if you guys aren't new. So for today's video, I thought I would do another vlog because you guys seem to really like these. So I thought I would just bring you guys along with me today and show you everything I get up to. Also, it's the morning, so my voice is weird right now, so please don't come at me in the comments. I'm in kind of a time crunch right now because it's 10 o'clock and my class is at 11:15. I think I'm gonna grab a quick bite to eat with one of my friends at our favorite breakfast place, and then I'm gonna go to class, and then I'm gonna hold myself accountable in this vlog and I'm gonna work out. I've actually been really good at like getting to the gym and eating foods that are like good for me and not top ramen. But this vlog is gonna keep me motivated and hold me accountable to go to the gym because I just told you I was going. So we're going to the gym. And whatever else I get up to today, of course you guys will come along. And yeah. Oh, let me show you guys my outfit really quick before I forget. Here's my little OOTD. I'm dressed really casual because I have class and I really don't care that much. I'm just wearing black leggings, and then I stole a sweater from one of my best friends, Alec. Shout out Alec, I love you. It's from Rag & Bone. It's literally the sickest thing ever. And then I'm just wearing my Air Force Ones. And yeah, I'm gonna be so late for class, so we're gonna go to breakfast and I will see you guys there. This is actually our favorite breakfast place. They have the cutest little Valentine's Day treats. Oh my gosh, this all looks so good. Thank you. How cute is this? Getting in that early Valentine's Day spirit. I don't want to break it because it's so pretty.
Record you taking a piece.
Oh, I just ruined it. Oops. Oh.
Wait, what? It's like croissant material? Oh my god. I'm out.
So this is what I usually get here. I just get scrambled eggs and then an English muffin, and then Soph always gets the loaded avocado toast. It's so good. You guys actually have to come to Inkwell if you're in Bloomington. It's so, so good. Key is to put your eggs on the English muffin.
You want this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I feel like we're gonna Uber. Get a minute, come on. Yes, come on, show us your moves.
Is that out of my vlog?
Yeah, come on.
Is that out of my vlog?
Hey! Just Bloomington things.
No, we're just picking up our laundry. Shout out to Tide. This is not sponsored, but shout out to Tide for doing my laundry. You guys are the plug. Thank you. Everyone's staring at me, but I'm just trying to get the content. Just trying to get that good. Okay, I just came back to pick up my laundry and drop it off in my room. My class is actually really close to my dorm, so I'm gonna rush over there right now, and I will see you guys there.
And I do think this paper is very important.
Hi guys, I just got back from class. I'm self-diagnosing myself, and I'm for sure getting sick. I feel like I'm getting cramps. Maybe I'm getting my period. I don't really know. Was that TMI? Probably. I don't know. Sorry. Right now I think I'm gonna go get my nails done because these are just absolutely ratchet. And then probably from the nail salon I'll go right to the gym. Or maybe I'll come back here and get my gym stuff and then go. We'll see. But we're gonna do those two things. And yeah, I will see you guys there. I really like this color, so I found like this one. I think this is the closest one. That workout kicked my ass. Oh my god. We're going to Chipotle right now. Because when are we not at Chipotle? This looks so good. I just get brown rice, chicken, lettuce, and tomatoes, and that's pretty much it. And then we get a side of the Chipotle salad dressing. It's actually so good.
Fire.
Yeah, Soph showed it to me. It's the best. Shower time. Hi guys, I got home a little bit ago and I just got out of the shower. I am so tired. I feel like I've been running around kind of all day. Also, want to bring this up because I know you guys are going to comment about it. I did probably like 2 hours of homework. I just didn't talk about it in this vlog, and I didn't show it because it's like me typing on my computer and like writing stuff down, and it's like not interesting. And I've been really trying to make these vlogs like different and like adding more content that I don't usually put in, because I feel like the vlogs have been getting a little repetitive, or it's just like similar content in every vlog, but it's just because I'm showing you guys my life and my days, and they kind of consist of the same thing. But anyways, I did a lot of work, I just didn't show it, so that's the point I was trying to say. Also, if you guys have any video ideas or requests that you guys want to see, comment them down below. So I'm actually going on a trip this weekend, so I have to pack for that right now, and then I'm probably just gonna head to bed. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. I love you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.